Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to allow others to mention or tag you in content on LinkedIn. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, tap on the Me button at the top and click on Settings and Privacy. After that, tap on the visibility button in the left side of the screen. Scroll down to this last section and click on Mentions or Tags, which is the fourth option. So here you can allow others to mention or tag you in content posted on LinkedIn. So if you want to allow mentions, tap on this button on the right side and then it will be enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.